Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening the conversation you want to customize. Make sure the app is updated so options match. Once done, tap the chat name at the top to open conversation settings because that's where Emoji controls live. You'll see a direct emoji or reaction setting. Tap it now to view the current default and the list of available alternatives. This first action prepares the chat to accept a custom reaction, and it prevents confusion later when you pick and apply a new emoji. Now you choose the replacement. Browse categories or use the search field to find exactly what you want, because precision matters for quick reactions. Tap an option to preview how it appears as the chat's default reaction. You can change your mind and try another without saving. If the app supports custom uploads, use the sticker or add emoji control to import an image, then crop or resize as prompted. Make sure you verify appearance on both light and dark modes before applying. Finish by tapping Save or Apply so the chat adopts your new emoji. This right action updates the conversation for everyone in the thread. Once applied, send a quick test reaction to a message to confirm the icon displays correctly for both you and others, because visual glitches sometimes occur. If you don't see the change, force close and reopen the app, confirm you're online, and ensure the app has storage or media permissions. Doing those steps usually resolves sync or permission problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.